Ladies and gentlemen, there are two ways to edit a Confluence page, and today I'm going to show you both of them. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you a few different ways to edit for different use cases. So we are in our SAM space. We're going to go down here and we're just going to open this Getting Started in Confluence document. And quite simply on the top right hand side, you can click on Edit, or you can use the letter E on your keyboard as a shortcut. Now, of course, you can make any updates and any changes that you would like. Now, once you've made your updates and your changes, there's a few ways to go ahead and update them. Because this is in draft, you can go ahead and click on Update, and it will bring everybody else that has access to this page back up to speed. You can also go here and update it without notifying any of the watchers. And then right over here, you can actually adjust what your settings are when you actually update. Now, let's say that you would like to work on this project or this page in real time, and you have other team members that are working on it as well. What we can do here on the top right hand side is you click on the three dots and you go down here and it says switch to live editing. Now you can see it says edits will happen instantly without the need to publish, and your version history will remain saved. Go ahead and say confirm. And here, once you're in this view, you are now live. So let's say you are making changes. Let's go all the way down to the bottom of this page, and we are going to add in a code block, for example. A code snippet. There we go. So now we've added in a code snippet, and literally whoever else is watching this page can see this live. So you can actually go ahead and do this all live. Now, once you're done, you can see it says saved over here, and it's saved exactly on the minute that I made that change. All right. Once you are done here, you can just hit the three dots, and then you can just say convert to page. This will convert it back to a page where you can edit it again in draft. And you can just repeat that process if you want to make it live again.